Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these very beautiful and gorgeous Kalamkari hand painted Jhumka or earring. And for the base I have used paper quilling strips. And all this pattern is hand painted. Isn't it beautiful? So let's get started. For this we need quilling tool, 5 mm quilling strips, quilling mold, paintbrush, some acrylic colors, black marker, plier, silver ball chain, metallic studs, flower cap, silver color bead, modeling paste, liquid glue and palette knife. First I am taking white color 5 mm strip and I have joined total 10 strips together and making one big tight coil. So continue this till the end. Secure the end so the tight coil is ready. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making a dome shape. Add glue inside this dome, spread this using brush and let it completely dry. Now you can see there are some lines because of the quilling strips. So to create this dome smooth, I am taking my modeling paste and just applying little paste on the dome using my palette knife to create the surface smooth. So we can draw our design and color it very easily. If you don't have modeling paste, you can also use the mixture of ceramic powder and glue. Just create a thick paste using ceramic powder and glue and apply it on the dome using palette knife. To make it more smoother, I am using my wet brush and applying on it. So it's completely dried and it's smooth now. So now I'm taking my pencil and creating Kalamkari motif design on top of this dome. So I am creating here some flowers, leaves, scrolls here and there. So it's done. Now I'm taking my acrylic colors and painting all the flowers, leaves and scrolls using my 000 number round brush. For the background, I am using orange acrylic color. Let it dry. Now it's completely dried. Now I'm taking my black permanent marker and just creating outline to all flowers, leaves and scrolls to highlight these designs. Now I'm taking little liquid glue and applying the glue in the bottom part of the dome. Now I'm just taking my silver color ball chain and adding the ball chain in the bottom. Like this. Now take one silver color T-pin, insert one pearl through this and insert this T-pin through the dome. Now I am inserting flower cap, and to secure this flower cap I am adding little glue. Now insert one silver bead and just twist this wire using plier and just take your metallic stud. Today I am using this peacock shaped stud. So the jhumka is ready. Now I am just creating little small white highlights on the flower. So the jhumka is completed. I have applied paper varnish on top of this to make it more secure and steady. In the same way I have created one more earring for the other side. So the beautiful hand painted Kalamkari jhumka is ready. I'm sure you will try this. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.